Hello everyone. Today I'll be making a 5-star octahedron using paper. This is a modular origami project and requires 30 sheets of paper in total. So to start off, we start by folding a square paper in half, like this. And crease well. And after that, we open it up and then fold it into fourths. Also crease full length. And after that, we open it up again. And then we rotate the paper to the other side. So every single fold is a mountain fold. And then we fold it in half. And make sure all the lines match up. And crease full length again. Now this time, instead of opening it, we will be making a slight crease, which will be like a reference point, starting from that point and touching that fourth line. And the starting point will be the half line. And then we crease all the way to a half point, which will be shown very prominently. So not full crease, but a reference crease. And then we do the same to the other side. Not full, only till the half crease on the tiny triangle. And then we open up. Now we will be making corresponding creases with the help of the new creases we just made. So to do that, first we need to reinforce the creases. So we just fold on the creases we did. And remember, not full way, only up till the part of the paper is comfortable with. Same on the other side. And now we can easily make the reference creases. Actually not reference, but it is actually reference. So to do that, we fold and push the paper forward until you see a little meeting point with the crease we made. And then crease till the fourth line. And then you rotate it 180 degrees and do the same thing again. And now we fold the paper back into fourths. And we're kind of going to make like a diamond shape. To do that, we're going to need to reinforce our creases again by going to the side that had the creases and creasing them. Once again, we reinforce creases. And after that, we just turn the paper around. And do the same thing, which will lead you to the diamond shapes. Creases. We reinforce the creases one more time again. And we fold them back to fourths, because now we're going to make some sort of flaps. So we fold a triangle up to the straight creases, reference creases that we made. Right there. And repeat on the underside. Crease well. And then open both of them. Now we're going to inverse them. So first, you'll see there's a tiny little triangle there, and you just need to inverse that first, which should be very easy. And then you open up the paper both ways and push down and pull the flap up and push down again. And then you pull down the little triangle. Now you repeat on the same side, starting off with the little triangle, opening it up, not as much so the other inverse fold doesn't open. Push, lift and push, and press. And now we open it all up. And we are almost done. First, we just need to fold it in half, and then push it down, and then leave one half. And you'll see there is this one half in the middle of the half, and we just need to push that half down, reinforce that half, and then the paper will want to collapse on itself. So just to make sure it collapses on itself well, I recommend putting it on a rough surface and creasing it. And then you repeat on the other side. Reinforce the crease and flatten it on a rough surface. Crease it both ways, one like a house, one like a strange kind of mountain. Personally, I think it looks interesting. And now, remember those inverse creases we made? Well, we're going to reinforce them again. So we start off with the little triangles. And then, instead of opening up the whole thing, we just really small open. And then we just gotta be careful and we put them back in. And done with one side. Like so. And then repeat on the other side. Just a tiny little opening. Flap slowly. And then make sure all the layers are underneath. And you're done. Well, almost done. You just need to make the flaps, which will help you shape the model. So here are the flaps. You push this along the line, the edge I'd say, and repeat on the other side. And then you reverse that on itself along the half as if it's some sort of barrier. And then you do so on the other side again. And then when you open it up, you have one complete module. And as you repeat, you need 3 of these. And now I already have a set of 30. 5 colors and 6 colors and 5 of each. Oh, whoops. 6 of each and 5 colors. And I'm just going to split them into groups. It's much easier that way. And this is how to connect 2 units. So first, you notice that flap there? And you notice that this is like, has an opening in there. So that's basically how we insert it. So this is the flap. And this is how it would look if you were to insert it inside the flap. Like this. So it's easier to flatten the unit and then push it in. It goes smoothly when you flatten it. And then flatten it the other way so it is secure. That's how you connect one unit. Now you do the same again. You flatten it and you push it in, goes smoothly, and reverse it. If you don't want to flatten it, it's okay. I just flatten it because it's easier for me. Reverse. And basically, it's like bigger units of 5. You need to make bigger units of 5 the first time. And when you have 5 and the last 2 are not connected, you just need to do it slowly. And there. One big unit of 5. And now we connect them all together. So I'll be continuing. And also, when you connect it on the other side, you just need to make sure you use the top. It's better to insert a new opening into it, and then connect it all together. Then inserting a flap into it first, then connecting the opening. I'll just be repeating the pattern until the module is finished. And now I'll be finishing the assembly. So I'm almost done. And it's kind of funny to see it. It's spiky. It's very interesting that way. I only have 5 pieces left. And it gets harder when you try to connect them, because they don't move that much. So I recommend doing this slowly the first time. Just need to push it in slowly. And I assure you, once you're done, it won't break very easily. It's a very strong model. That was my last yellow piece. Connected. My last blue piece. Gonna go like that. So first, obviously, I put in the flap of a new unit. And then the flaps. Same to the other side. My last green piece. After that's yellow. For me. Right here, I kind of made a mistake, which made it really hard for me. I should have put the opening in first. There. And now, I just need to put in the last piece. And now here's a little trick. Don't actually put it in. Just tuck it in, like so. So it looks like it's in when it really isn't. And it doesn't fall. It's actually safe. And that is the 5-star octahedron.